We gotta do the typical checks on Big Black. So see right in there? Those little maggots. They're making another home in there. So I'm gonna have to do another eviction. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it's focused now, I think. Nothing on there. Big Black's lifeblood right here. It registers pretty quick too. So for all that oil that I just put in, there's still nothing. So there's 2.5 gallons in each one of these containers. And we'll see if we got anything registering on the stick now. Daisy, come on. We're about, what's that, like halfway now? Gotta put a dryer sheet in that corner like I was saying in that last video. Or in one of the videos. Oil's good now. Coolant's a little low. This is just what I go through for Big Black. That's empty. That's it. What you doing, sweetie? Since we used up the last of Big Black's oil, might as well bring out another one. Big Black should be good to go for another couple days. I hope. What's he doing?